In this video, I will explain about how to adjust cell sizes in MS Excel. So, under Home tab, Cells group is there. Under Cells group, we have Format option. If you click down under Format, cell size options are available. These are 5 options available. One is row height, to adjust the height of the row, and auto fit height row, column width, auto fit column width, and default width of the column. Using these 5, we can set the height and width of columns and rows. Okay, suppose first row height. See, we have the rows like this. Suppose I am enhancing row height like this. I can manually enhance row height like this. But I want fixed height of rows. Like I am selecting all the rows I am selecting. See, by default there will be height around 24 height, default height. For example, if you select the first one, that is that will show you the default row height, and of course that also 2.26.5. Suppose I am selecting here. Why? Because this is not formatted beforely. So see, 24 is the default height. Okay, and I want to set some default height to all these cells. In that case, some heights are very large, some are low, and I want evenly place the height of the row. So in this case, I want to place this as 35 row height. See, evenly all rows became 35 size, like this. And if you want increase again, suppose if it is not fit to you, again I am setting to 45. See, this is a merging of two rows, that's why it is showing very larger height. This is not the single row, 1 and 2. Those two rows merged into a single cell. So like that we can evenly place the height of the rows of cells. And next one is auto fit row height. Auto fit means as per the contents automatically it will fits the size of the height. Auto fit row height. See, what content you have, accordingly, suppose Ravi Krishna, as per its height that fixed, and Hari Krishna Kumar wrapped data, that one is wrapped text applied, so that accordingly it fitted to the data. So as per the data automatically it will fits accordingly. What I enhanced, that will be as it is. Okay, manually what I enhanced, that will be as it is. For example, for this I enhanced the size. Now you apply auto fit. So okay, so there is some default space here in Geeta Kumari. So like that it will automatically fits usually. And here is an option column width. By default, see, if you click here, it will show you the default column width. This is the 8.11 is the default column width. And you can change the column width of the cells. Select all the cells, all the columns to which you want to set the column width, and I am setting to something like 25. See how much totally enlarged. I am applying Control Z. So like that, as per your requirement, you can set your column width and auto fit column width. As per the contents, automatically they will fit. For example, here SNO there is large gap, so I am going to apply here. So that is auto fit column width. So automatically fitted to according to the contents, according to the text or data in the cells. Next we have default width. Default width means what is the default width of column? Normally default width of column is what? 8.11. And if you want to fix all the columns to the specific default width, then default width I am going to set something 12 to all the cells, or otherwise I am going to set 15. See, every cell became not only containing data, non-containing data cells also became like this. That is the default width of any cell. Okay, like that you can alter the default width also, and I am setting to normal default width, that is 8.11. That is the normal width of a column. So that is default width. Like that we can adjust the heights, widths of rows and columns. Okay,